Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, karibu sana. For the returning subscribers, keep coming back and watching my video. So today I have a mini weekend vlog. We are en route to Naivasha for a mini getaway. Please like, share, subscribe, and let's get into it.
So high, feet on the ground, but I still get by. Rules were made for someone else to try, but not me, not me. They said slow down, son, take your time, but I was born running every stop sign. Sky is the limit, no chance to hold. Sky is the limit, I'm breaking the mold. Sky is the limit, I'm out of control tonight. Every doubt just feeds a flame. Every scar reminds me why I came. I've been broke, I've been blessed, carry faith in an empty chest till now. The stars are down like good old friends, saying, boy, don't stop when the sky just ends.
We left town and joined Getaway, guys. Please enjoy the views, like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment down below.
So high, feet on the ground, but I still get by. Rules were made for someone else to try, but not me, not me. They said slow down, son, take your time, but I was born running every stop sign. Sky is the limit, no chance to hold. Sky is the limit, I'm breaking the mold. Sky is the limit, I'm out of control tonight. Every doubt just feeds a flame. Every scar reminds me why I came. I've been broke, I've been blessed, carry faith in an empty chest till now. down, but I still get by. The rules were made for someone else to try, but not me, not me. They said slow down, son, take your time, but I was born running every stop sign. Sky is the limit, no chance to hold. Sky is the limit, I'm breaking the mold. Sky is the limit, I'm out of control tonight.
We left Nairobi at 5:30 p.m. and at 7:30 p.m. we were already in Naivasha. After alighting, we went straight to our Airbnb. We had booked it through booking.com, and here is how the place looks like.
Till now, the stars are down like good old friends, saying, boy, don't stop where the sky just ends. Sky is the limit, no chance to.
After check-in, we took Uber to Naivasha supermarket, where we did a little shopping and bought some food for us to eat, and then some things to cook breakfast the following day. The views from the balcony were so nice, and also I like the fact that there was a table set up outside for you to eat if you wanted to enjoy the scenery.
Sky is the limit, I'm breaking the mold.
After breakfast, we got ready and later on walked to town. I needed to see the town and its environs. Then later on we got into a border and were taken to the lake.
Sky is the limit, I'm out of control tonight.
We arrived at the shores of the lake, and later on we went to check on the boats, but upon checking on how the boats were, my fear crept in and I wouldn't get into one. Plus also the stories we were being told by the Buddha guy about the hippos, I wouldn't dare. Flamingos. With the red feet of flamingos. Hizi zenye ziko na miguu za red ni flamingo. Ati inaitwa? Common.
Sasa moja hiyo ni ngapi? 300.
Kuna zingine za kilo bado.
Ah. Hiyo si ni mudfish ama hiyo ni gani?
Mudfish ni.
Na hiyo?
Si ndio ile huko.
Si bado ni hii?
Bado ni.
Unazitoa, inakaa kutoa ni rahisi. Anafanya tu hivi naona tunatoka. Yo. Unazitoa zinakaa rahisi kufanya hivyo.
Hazikudungi.
Ama ushazoea. Ama ushazoea.
Nadunganga. Unaona hizi ni mizakano. Nitoa vibaya na kidogo.
Mimi sasa hiyo fish inakaa hivyo sura mbaya, mimi sioni kama inaweza kula.
Ati sura mbaya?
Ile pale hiyo ya mwisho.
Wapi?
Hiyo mwisho.
Hiyo.
Flamingo. Uone kakikimbia.
Ona vile ndo kale.
Wapi?
Tunakaa tu cute.
Hizi ni zile zinatoanga ticks kwa ng'ombe. Hizi ni mosquitoes.
Mtu wacho. Tunaosha.
Uto.
Ona kale kako na nini kwa kichwa.
Kako na? Oh. Hii ni cute. Iko multicolored. Lazima. Uko nyuma ni lake. But the view is not viewing though. Uko ni lake. After visiting the lake, we went back to our Airbnb, rested a little bit, took supper, and then slept. Woke up early the next morning as we were getting ready to leave because checkout was around 10 a.m. and also we needed to get back to Nairobi so that we come back to our normal schedules. Coming back to Nairobi didn't feel so nice because I was already missing being in Naivasha, and then also going back to the hustle and bustle of Nairobi is not a good thing. So I never took a lot of videos on our way back. And guys, thank you for watching the video up to this end. Please like, share, subscribe, and see you on the next one. Bye bye.